Hello and welcome back to Vocab Junction. In this video, we'll be using IKEA's kitchen products to teach you essential vocabulary. This product is called Lazy Susan. A Lazy Susan is a rotating tray or turntable that allows easy access to items typically in a kitchen or dining setting. This is a flour sifter. It is a kitchen tool used to break up lumps and aerate flour by pushing it through a fine mesh screen. This is a skimmer. It is used to remove foam, impurities, or excess fat from liquids or to lift and drain food. It is a whisk. It is used for beating food such as eggs and cream. It is a mesh skimmer. This is a ladle. It is used to scoop and pour liquids. These are tongs consisting of two movable arms or jaws used to grip, turn and serve food. This is a turner or spatula. It is used to flip and turn food. This is a rice bowl. This is a bowl. It is used to serve food like soup, salads, etc. This is a colander. It is used to drain liquids from pasta, rice and vegetables. This is a cleaver. It is used to chop and mince meat and vegetables. This is a salt and pepper shaker. It is used to hold and dispense salt and pepper for seasoning and flavoring food. This is a corkscrew opener, a kitchen tool used to remove the cork from a wine bottle, typically consisting of a spiral metal shaft and a handle which is turned to extract the cork. This is a grater. It is used to shred or grate cheese, vegetables and fruits. These are bottle opener and can opener used to open glass bottles and metal cans. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.